resort committed to provide additional portalets, makeshift urinals, to also reduce the physical hazards that may occur given that there are simultaneous activities to be conducted by the school organizers. And then on the 22nd, Your Honor, our firm met with the management again of Puntabel with the Municipal Police Station of Hermosa led by Chief of Police Fuy Pangan Jr. and then Punong Barangay Roberto Rosal of Barangay Mabiga, Hermosa, Bataan.
Okay.
In the following day, Your Honor, we met with the officials from the local government unit, particularly the Bureau of Fire, the Rural Health, and their engineering office, Your Honor.
So in that case, gumawa kayo ng many preparations for that event and gumawa kayo ng several site inspections, right?
Yes, Your Honor, and also
Yes.
the traffic management.
And the traffic management.
Where
correct? Siguro kayong last minute assessment sa situation. Very good. Perfect. Excellent. Pero ba't nagka-problema pa rin?
Your Honor, albeit this is in retrospect. And
ano po?
This is in retrospect.
This
Your
is?
Honor. Your Honor, what I mean is always when we look back, we see what the errors are completely. But at the time they did the assessment, they may have overlooked this matter, Your Honor, because as to the configuration on how you will get to the resort, Your Honor, we will be passing through barangay roads, two barangay roads. One is an access road leading to the resort.
So dapat kasama dun sa ginawa niyong site inspection, dapat kasama dun sa ginawa niyong last minute assessment, dapat kasama dun sa, sabi niyo, ilang beses kayo pumunta doon at nakipag-connect kung sino-sino mga Poncio Pilato, police, mayor, chairman, etc. O kasama na dapat yun. Hindi man lang nasa pool yun, nahuli yun ng mga taong mga nakausap niyo. Na hindi man na sinabihan kayo or baka nasabi sa inyo pero sinadya niyong i-overlook na hindi ma-accommodate because of the barangay road, because of the side streets. Diba? The 500 buses is not going to accommodate.
In addition, Your Honor, if I may, there were also lapses admittedly on the crowd control because many students after some of the activities were concluded, they already rushed outside of the resort premises looking for their buses. So the 143 coordinators, Your Honor, and alongside the barangay personnel were overwhelmed when the students already...
Exactly, but you should have anticipated that. Kasi sabi ko, pailang beses kayo gumawa ng site inspection, pailang beses kayo nakipag-court kung kanina mga otoridad doon, at ilang beses yung pinag-usapan ito. O, bago sa actual na, the day of the activities. Di ba? O, so ngayon sasabihin niyo maraming lapses. Kaya nga, Ched, I want perpetual na disqualification dito sa vesting ibigay mo from conducting off-campus non-curricular activities. Mga excursion, wag na. Stop na. Dalawa na nakatapos sa pool na Una, maraming namatay. Ngayon, maraming nahimatay. Ano sa susunod? And are we allow them to let it happen again? Ganun-ganun na lang. At the expense of the students while the school is making tons and tons of money and then magpapatayo ng mga ibang pang branches ng mga eskwelahan nila. At ang mga estudyante ang kinakawawa in the process. Go ahead po.
Mr. Chair, last week po we have issued the resolution to BestLink. Ito po ang resolution po ng Commission aside po doon sa downgrading of their authority ay naglagay din po kami ng penalty na suspension to conduct local off-campus activities, both curricular and non-curricular, effective immediately po upon receipt of the notice.
Suspension and then after a few months, ililift nyo rin lang. No.
Wala naman pong nakalagay po.
Pero what guarantee can you give me that it will not be lifted a month or so from now? Come on, nagawa nyo na before mag-lift, magagawa nyo ulit yan. Pero dapat kung meron kayong resolution banning entirely, forever, from them conducting an off-campus activity, special excursion sa mga resort. Bilang penalty, sabi ko sa kanina, ma'am, kung sa mga boss na may namatay, kinakancel na agad yung prangkisa nila. Ito, may namatay, wala lang kayo. Naulit pa, wala lang kayo. Suspension lang. Come on. Come on.
If I may, Your Honor, pwede po bang magsalita?
Pero bago niyan, sige. Sagot mo muna, bakit di silang bigyan ng sanction? Pero sabi mo pala may sanction kaya hindi na-receive. So, okay na tayo doon. So, but, balikan mo, gusto ko accountability rito Sino ang nagpadala? You came up with a resolution for the sanction, and yet they said they did not receive. Na sino yung taong responsible para ipabot yung sanction dahil gusto ko yan masibak. Malaking kasalanan niya. I want his or her name and I want get rid of that puppy. Really.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Dapat may accountability from now on. Kaya nga nasibak yung chairman ninyo siguro dahil dyan. Dahil mahina kayo. Right? Go ahead, Attorney Pagayatan.
Yes, good morning po again. Tungkol po doon sa resolution na sinasabi nila after the 2017 event, wala po talagang natanggap ang BestLink as latest chat by myself. Friday po wala po talaga. Wala silang natanggap. Opo, at saka if I may allow to state further, Your Honor, yung po kasing 2017, February 20, 2017 to be exact, was a curricular-based activity of the students. Your leadership training activity for 3 days. It was in accordance with the National
curricular pero off-campus. Off-campus pa rin.
Opo,
okay.
Ito po, this is curricular based, while this one, the founding anniversary is non-curricular. Yun po kasi, alam nyo, in compliance with the NSTP law, National Service Training Program of 2001, under which there are 3 program components. They are OTC, the literary.
Ano yung sabihin po ng OTC? Come on, please do not use acronym. Don't use acronym na hindi familiar.
Opo. Pwede po ba kasi...
sabihin niyo po anong isabihin ng OTC?
Reserve Officers Training Course.
ROTC.
ROTC.
Sabi mo kasi OTC lang Sige.
OTC.
Alright.
Tapos, mayroon hong Civil Welfare Training Service at saka mayroon ding Literacy Training Service.
Okay.
Ito pong trip sa Tanay noong February 2017 was under the Civil Welfare Training Service. It was a leadership training activity for first-year students of BestLink College of the Philippines. This particular activity is a module under the Civil Welfare Training Service, which is being offered by BestLink after the passage of the law since 2001. So ito po ay prerequisite for graduation for all students. Kaya they are required to undergo 2 semesters of any of these program components of the National Service Training Program. Kaya ito po, and then going back to that, the bus that figured in the vehicular accident which caused the perish of actually 14 students po ito. I know it for a fact because I was the one who handled it, and including the driver. There are cases already filed, and in one of the cases where one of the plaintiffs is the student assistant, in which was one of the who was one of the passengers of the bus which figured in the tragic incident.